I feel like this is Starbucks Anonymous. We all each other's pusher. And I need accountability because what I like to drink can cost me $5 a day. But as an Extreme coupon, I get my items for the low, so I might as well make it do what it do, baby. So now I'm showing y'all how I make my cold brew at home with my vanilla sweet cream. So I took the whole beans to the store and had it ground on coarse. And then this is a cold brew filter off of Amazon. The filter is really fine, so the cheesecloth wasn't needed, but I use it just because I had it. So when it comes down to the sweet cream, the part that I did not show is I used the Cold Stone Sweet Cream Creamer mixed with the heavy cream, and you can leave the powdered sugar out or go with just regular liquid sugar, free sugar. Sometimes I mix it up, but I wanted that vanilla flavor there, so I'm using vanilla bean paste. And because I bake, I had on hand some real vanilla bean pods and some extract, and I got everything all shaken up. I think my vanilla sweet cream is even better than Starbucks. And then whatever flavor I want, I go with the Jordan Skinny Syrup. This way I watch my sugar and my portion because I am a weight loss surgery patient. And this is what 24 hours steeping looks like. I mean, it was really smooth. It was really good. Topped it off with the vanilla. Y'all, look at all that real vanilla in there. Went back with some unsweetened almond milk, and this is how I saved myself $5 a day, y'all. Although my family be giving me money for Starbucks, but there you go.